Susan was furious with Edie for using a dog to ingratiate herself with its owner.
The word ingratiate means to try to make others like you by saying or doing nice things. There are similar expressions like curry favor or suck up. Curry favor focuses on doing things to gain advantage in a more calculated way. And suck up is an informal way suggesting insincere and overly flattering behavior to please someone. While ingratiate is more general and can be sincere efforts to build a good relationship, the other two carry a more negative and self-serving undertones.
Don't try to ingratiate yourself with me, Travis.
Anyone would think you were trying to ingratiate yourself.
Ingratiate himself into Hobbes's life.
Not a great way to ingratiate yourself to the neighborhood, eh?
I see you've managed to ingratiate yourself with the hired help.
And indeed ingratiate themselves into the community.
My new roommate is bending over backwards to ingratiate himself to me.
Step 3. Ingratiate yourself with a joke or some humorous device.
Remember, I said Paulette. This isn't the kind of movie that's going to ingratiate you to Hollywood.
No, it's like my dad says about Jews. From the first minute, he was madly trying to ingratiate himself into our crowd. That's bullshit, McGee.
And when a Whole Foods opens, they really try to ingratiate themselves on the community, and they, source locally and all that.
Paul, I have no right to tell you what to do, but if this is some big attempt to ingratiate yourself...
They needed some trees, Sandy.
But understand this, Regina. You are black, and I see you trying to ingratiate yourself into this white world here with all your cutesy little antics.